everyone, welcome to my channel. I am bringing you a 3-minute Angel Renee makeup pizzazz straight from my home to your home, or wherever you are, in the car, at school, wherever, but I'm in the comfort of my home, and I'm bringing them some pizzazz straight to you, a little vitality, a little glamour, or whatever. Okay, so this is something new that I decided to do for you guys. And basically, I'm going to be giving you some information, great information when it comes to, it could be from makeup, because I'm a makeup artist, to just some wisdom tidbits that I may have, to some health stuff, anything beauty, wellness, inspiration, like I'm your girl, okay? So anyway, we're going to go ahead and just jump right into the video. So I want to talk to you a little bit about face primers and foundation, something that I found out that I feel would be very beneficial to you if you wear makeup or want to start wearing makeup. Okay, so I want to first off say by using your face primers, it shows a world of difference on your face when you don't, like the way your makeup starts to like move around and stuff if you don't use like your face primer and things like that, and certain things start to show on your face that you don't want to show if you don't use a face primer. So honestly, a good face primer is going to help your makeup to look more flawless. It's going to make it look more smooth, and as far as like complexion wise, it'll help with issues with like oil and shine and things like that. It will also help your foundation to last longer, because that's what you want. You want your foundation to last throughout the day for yourself, right? Excuse me, let me fix myself. So with that being said, it also helps if you have like large pores and things like that. So something I found out is that one day, and this is something I did not know or even thought to find out, was that if you're using a water-based face primer, you want to use a water-based foundation. Same thing goes for oil-based, silicone-based, because if you are using an oil-based, oil-based face primer and you decide to use a water-based foundation, guess what it's going to do? Exactly, it's going to separate. So you're going to see your makeup spreading apart on your face if you don't match up and mend the two that need to go together. Water and water, oil and oil, silicone and silicone. Okay, I will say this. Now this is like a side note, as far as water-based, your water-based does not always mean that it's not going to have some type of silicone in it. Same thing goes for the oil base. Silicone is usually going to be in one of those, maybe, and that's not all the time. Sometimes it's going to be silicone free, and things like that, but sometimes it's not, and it's okay. So it should work just fine with a oil base or water base if you do have like a little silicone in your face primer or foundation, whatever. But I did want to let you know that, those are things to look for, like, things to look for when you're choosing a face primer, when you're choosing a foundation. There's certain things that you can look for yourself where you don't have to like, let me Google this, let me see if this is water-based or oil-based, if it has silicone in, let me check. You don't have to stress yourself out. So I'm going to give you some words that you can look for that'll be right on the bottle, or when you're online and let's say you're ordering online, usually it's right there in the description, okay? So what you want to look for are words for water-based, for instance, and I have my notes here because, hey, it's nothing wrong with a little notes, little tidbit or whatever to help me out for you. For water-based, this is foundations or face primers, you want to look for oil-free, silicone-free, and like I said, that sometimes it will have silicone in it, and it's okay. Weightless, radiance, soothing, and matte. That's for your water-based foundation or primer, face primer that you're looking for. If you're looking for an oil base, words you'll be looking for are moisturizing, soothing, hydrating, dewy, glow, replenish. Okay, for your silicone base foundation or face primer, you will be looking for words like pore minimizer, velvet or silky. You'll be looking for long wearing, waterproof, like high definition, and smoothing. Okay, so those are words to look for when choosing the water-based primer or water-based foundation, you know, so you can choose the two that are going to go together so they won't separate on your face. Because I'm telling you, when it happened to me, I'm like, is my foundation old? Is the primer old? You know, and things like that. It wasn't that. It was because what I was using was a water-based face primer and an oil-based foundation. So that's all that it was. And I'm glad I found that information out, because it was very helpful to me, because I never thought to even look it up or try to find out which two will go together. If it was something I wanted to try, I just would try it, you know. And if you're a lot like me, you know, you want to try different things and see how things work, you know, you'll start to experience certain things and you wonder, why is this happening? So doing the research really does help. So that's why I'm here to help you be able to know what you're choosing when you go into those stores, okay? And this can be drugstore brand products or more high-end brand products. So I'm glad I can help you today, guys. And really just don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. And make sure you click the thumbs up button. And one more thing, okay, before we go. Make sure you go ahead and click that notifications, because I'm going to be doing more videos like this for you so that you can have more information. When you go into those stores, you will know what you're looking for. So you don't have to fumble around wondering, oh my goodness, I'm going to be there to help you. It's like I'm going to be right there with you. I'm going to give you these 3-minute pizzazz goodies so that you can know what you're doing when you go into these stores to look for your makeup, okay? So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and leave that right there. And I want to tell you guys I love you and thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Peace.